Hi, welcome to Spanish with Joanna. Today we are going to speak about plural words. If you want to have some conversational lessons, you can reach out to me. So let's start. Here we have this word, el chocolate. That means the chocolate. Only one. So we are going to learn how to make this word plural. This is very simple. If the word ends with a vowel, in this case it ends with E, the thing that you need to do is add S at the end. So only one, el chocolate, the chocolate, el chocolate. And more than one, you just need to add S at the end of the word. So let's say the chocolates. Los chocolates. And let's keep practicing this with different words like la taza. So try to say it by yourself. You just need to add S at the end of the word. Las tazas. Great. La tienda. Las tiendas. La escuela. Las escuelas. La estudiante. Las estudiantes. El estudiante. In this case, the article that we are using here is el. And here we are using los because we have a girl and a boy in the same group. Los estudiantes, the students. El libro. Let's say book in plural. You just need to add S to libro. Los libros. El zapato. Los zapatos. El insecto. Los insectos. El juez. Los jueces. And here we have the adjective feliz, that is happy. Here we can see this sentence. Ella es feliz. She's happy. Here we are talking about one person, only one. So we have to say that adjective in singular. But here we want to say a similar sentence but in plural, saying they. They are happy. So this adjective, we need to make it plural. So we change this letter for C and we add ES to make it plural. And our sentence for they are happy in Spanish is ellos son felices. So let's say it one more time. Ellos son felices. El lápiz. In this case, we do the same that we did previously. We change this letter. We replace that for C and add ES to make this word plural. So only one is el lápiz. And that word in plural is los lápices. Again, los lápices. La actriz, las actrices. So that's all for today. Thank you. See you on the next video.